This is the Meerkat in for D7 with the broad market review for June the 20th, 2016, the first day of summer. Well, what happened to the markets? Over the weekend, the sentiment shifted for the Brits. It looks like now they're going to stay in the European Union, and kaboom! The markets went flying up. European markets up over 3% today, and here are the ones in the U.S. We closed at plus 0.78 here on the S&P. Dow finished at 1.08, and we had the Nasdaq up 0.7, and the small caps up 1.3%. And banks went along for the ride. That's good news, up 1.2%. Now, European markets were up 3% on the day, and the European banks up 4% on the day. So that shift in sentiment to looks like they're going to stay really made a difference in the markets today. Now, just remember, the vote is not until Thursday, and so we're going to be a little bit cautious until then. Then we also have the VIX dropped 11.5% down to 17.18, and oil was up over 2%. It actually knocked on the door of $50 again on the WTI oil, so we have to look at that one in the future here. And we're back up in that 50 range. And the trend trade, and we are almost dead neutral, so no trend trade on there. All right, let's take a look here at the SPX itself, and that is the actual index. And look at this. It opened up and went up, 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 and look at that right there. Look here, right there. And as I hold this over that, and what is it? 2100.66. It went up there, tagged the 2100 line, and then pulled right back. And this line has been a major support and resistance line here as we try to get up here to the all-time highs here up at 2130.5. So we got within 20 points again, and then we fell down. We just cannot seem to break it. We've been in this range since October of 2014 and just can't seem to break out of it. And then we take a look here at the Nasdaq here. And now let's take a look at its lines here of all-time highs. This line here is actually its closing line from December, so we're not even positive on the year yet. And then way up here is with all-time high level, so we've got a little bit of work to do there. And then we've got the small cap Russell here, and again, it's positive for the year. This is the closing line from December. It's doing its bull pullback here now. Nice strong up again. We've came way off the highs today. But look at all-time highs up there. So we are starting to do these bull pullbacks here. We're strong up move today, but did back taper off. People are saying, okay, this is not a done deal yet. We still have to have the vote for it to be a done deal. And then, of course, that VIX, boy, it was pretty amazing here. We were up in the 20 range last week, and now we did pull back down under here, and now we're getting back down into the calmer range. And I have to wait and see if that fear stays out of the market through the Thursday vote. Well, that's it. I've got a challenge for you, and that is, do you think you have what it takes to be a successful trader without having mentoring or training? Well, you can go to our site, groktrade.com. That's groktrade.com, where savvy traders advance. And go to a training mentor. And here's just a quick quiz for you to take. And do you have what it takes here to succeed without a mentor? You can take this, just 10 questions, and see if you have the knowledge that you're going to need to be equipped in the markets. Now, it's just a scratch and a quick survey to see whether you have it. And if not, well, you can find out about our mentoring program. You can read about it down here. What does it include? And there's a lot of testimonials along the side here. I mean, a lot of testimonials. And you can find out what people had to say about our mentoring program. It starts off with real consolidated trading, and then we are your mentors from that point on as you begin to implement it into your trading life. Want to know more information about that? Just go right here, fill in this information, and you'll get a call. And we'll just talk to you about your trading, and we'll see if there may be an opportunity for us to help you with your trading. This is the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that trapeze artists never jump without a net, and traders should never trade without a stop. Trade well.